Hello and welcome back to my channel. Now we're going to make a simple um, pot holder like this. This one was made of a t-shirt yarn. It is old t-shirt yarn cut from the factory, similar to this one. But now we're using a proper um, t-shirt yarn, this one. And then I will be using 9mm hook. So it's up to you, where are you comfortable with. I'm very comfortable with 9mm because I have here 5. It's too small for this yarn, and it will be difficult. It will be more very tight. So for the sake of this tutorial, it's better to have a big hook for you to be able to see it clearly. So let's start with magic ring. This is how I do the magic ring, as simple as that. It's just like fold it like this and here, and control it from here and position your yarn. So let's start with um, chain 1, and then let's directly start with double crochet, 10 double crochet inside the magic ring. Okay, double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 double crochet. Let's just hold the magic ring for a while so we can manage it. How many we have? 1, 2, 3. Sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4. No, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the 6 and 7. Then 8. So I think let's just have 8. Oh yeah, 10, 8, 9, and then 10. Let's just position the magic ring. Let's just pull it through as tight as you can. Okay, so we have 10 single crochet here. All you have to do is to join this using slip stitch in here. So now we have 10 double crochet. So to increase, we need to double this into 2 single crochet in each chain, in each stitch. We just need to hide this. Put it here while you're working so you can hide it. Okay, so chain 1 and then double crochet, 2 double crochet here, 1 and then 2. Where is your tail? You can hide it here, but I'm just hiding it. 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, so 2 double crochet in each stitch. 1, two, one, two, okay, two double crochet, one, two, one, and two. Okay, what we're working on is a bit loose because I use a big hook. If you want it tight, you can use a smaller hook. Okay, one, two, then one, and two. Okay, so this is the last stitch. Then we need to join here. Okay, here. Where's the first double crochet? Okay, no, sorry, here, the first double crochet. Okay, so we need to increase more. We need to chain, and this time let's have one double crochet here, two double crochet, one double crochet, two double crochet. There's increase. There's still an increase. So one double crochet here, two double crochet here, two double crochet. Okay, and then one double crochet here. My husband's voice is so loud. One double crochet, and then two double crochet here. Okay, so you do that continuously. One double crochet, and then two double crochet in the same stitch. Okay, so we're growing bigger. One more, one double crochet, and here two double crochet, one, two, and then one double crochet, and then two double crochet, one, two. Okay, I will meet you here. Okay, so we are now at the end. Two, one, two double crochet. So what we did here is one, two, one double crochet, two double crochet. Okay, so slip stitch. Okay. My yarn is so soft, that's why it's doing this. Okay, so let's do the next round because we need one more row. This time let's have one double crochet here, one double crochet in the next stitch, and two double crochet in the next stitch. So we will have one, one, two. Okay, again, one double crochet, again one double crochet, and on the third we need two double crochet in the same stitch. Okay, again one double crochet, one double crochet, and 2 double crochet in the same stitch, just like that until the end. So now we are almost at the end. Um, okay. Slip stitch again. So now, since we have the round here, so what uh, you're going to do is, if you want to have a design at the side like this, it is all up to you. If you want to plain, you want it plain like this as a pot holder, that is okay as well. If you want it something like design, we can have like this: 1, 2, 3, 3 chain, and then slip stitch here. I mean 3 chain, then slip stitch on the second. 1, 2, chain again. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, slip stitch, then 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, then 1, 2, 3, then 1, 2. Okay. A little bit of design here. We have 1, 2, 3 chain, then 1, 2, okay. Then 1, 2, 3, and then slip stitch here. Excuse me. And then just do this. If you want it more stronger, you can have one more knot. Okay, so I just ironed it a little bit so to make it flatten, because my yarn is so soft, and I use a large hook for that, so it's not that tight like this. Yeah, so the last thing that we need to do is to hide our remaining yarns. So it's your call on how you will hide this. Let me just go around and hide as long as you can. Okay, I think for me that's enough. And then if you remember the first yarn, excess yarn that we have, we hide it already while we're working on it. So yeah, this is our easy pot holder. Thank you for watching.